Hey, and welcome back. St. Patrick's Day, a couple days away. So, Rachel Gaffney, is St. Patrick's Day that big a deal back in the old sod?
The old sod, I love that, Tim. Yes, it is actually.
It is?
It is, it's a big deal.
I thought it was more American than Irish.
Well, it's a big deal over there and it's a big deal over here, but in America you guys do things a little bit differently than everybody else anyway.
Yeah.
I think any excuse for a party.
And we make it more of a crazy party, and you all make it more of a celebration, I guess.
We do, they kind of party a little bit over there, but St. Patrick has a sort of a different meaning too, because remember, St. Patrick's Day celebrates the anniversary of his death, March 17, in 421 AD. And you know the shamrock was actually only used by St. Patrick to tell the story of the Trinity. The Father, the Son, and the Holy Spirit.
Really?
That's what the shamrock was used for.
And we have just turned it into a drunken brawl, thanks to you.
Oh yeah, thanks.
You have a great traditional, something that definitely in Ireland that they do.
I have to say, just a quick thank you to a friend of mine in Ireland, Chef Neven Maguire. He gave me this recipe. I said, I'm coming on, give me a salmon recipe. Smoked salmon, the Irish and smoked salmon.
Yes. Yep.
So we eat a lot of smoked salmon, we eat a lot of soda bread with our soups. Okay. So I made a soda bread here, and today we're going to make these smoked salmon cream cheese stacks. Now, first of all, make an Irish soda bread. This is traditional Irish soda bread, or as we call it in Ireland, brown bread. We don't actually call it soda bread. So you take your soda bread, and then I'm just cutting it out with a cookie cutter here. Okay. These rounds. Okay. So here's the plate.
There you go.
Yes, it is.
There's the plate.
That's what we call it in America anyway.
I just went blank. I didn't know what else to say.
Now, can I buy this kind of bread in the store? Do you find
no,
this
I
kind
make
of bread?
this bread.
No, you make it.
I have there's a soda bread recipe on my website, but you can buy soda bread. But the thing is, soda bread in the States, you guys put raisins in them.
Oh,
this is a traditional brown bread.
Right.
Okay.
So this is a cream cheese. You take an 8-ounce packet of cream cheese.
Got it.
And then what I've chopped up here is radish, cucumber. Okay. You've got some horseradish. I've got some English mustard. Got some smoked salmon, some fresh chives, and some red onion. Now with the red onion, what we've done here is we've put in a tiny bit of rice wine vinegar and castor sugar.
Kind of pickle it.
Or sorry, castor sugar, extra fine granulated sugar. So yes, it's pickled. So what you're going to do is take a little piece of your, of course, this is live TV, thank God, because I forgot to put these in.
Oh, so you're going to mix those all together first.
Yes,
so that's why when you
course.
layer it up, it's already all layered and kind of mixed in there.
Right.
Now, you do cooking instructions. You also do like traveling, and you take groups over to Ireland, right?
I do, especially the culinary tours, to show people the real Ireland, or the Ireland that I grew up in, and the way we eat and everything. Because, you know, corned beef and cabbage, corned beef is a very American Irish dish, you know, from 1845 when the Americans borrowed the Jewish tradition of brining beef, you know? So that's where that all came from. So imagine now on TV that this is going to get very soft very quickly.
Right. We've got about 30 seconds left to do that.
What you do is you spread it. You start spreading it, right? You're going to take a little bit of salmon, put that in between. We're going to start stacking it. And then I'm going to speed this up. You're just basically going to create salmon stacks like this. And this is the pickled red onion, and then also what you can do is a little bit of salad on the side. And this is a really nice thing with a really nice hearty lager or Guinness, or of course, or a bowl of soup.
That is beautiful.
For your St. Patrick's Day.
You can find this recipe and a link to Rachel Gaffney's Real Ireland. You do Facebook live hits too, don't you?
I do. I'm doing this show every Wednesday now.
Okay, every Wednesday.
Live.
There you go. So we'll put a link on our website, fox4news.com. Thank you so much.
We'll be back with a check of your forecast that may include St. Patrick's Day.